Brush knee is a forward-backward movement. So the weight starts in the back leg, moves to the front leg. What we do, basically it's a half of a push. Yeah? If you have your left leg forward, your right hand will be forward. Yeah? As you sit back, you're going to hold the ball. So you imagine that you have a ball, any size you like. It can be very small, but it's more breathy if it's a nice big ball. So here we sit back, the right palm comes down, and we hold the ball. And we turn to the right. The right hand comes up, and as it comes up, the left hand goes down. As you come forward, the right hand drops. And then we move into this cycle again. Hold the ball, left hand down, right hand up. Hold the ball, sitting back, turning to the right. Right hand up, left hand down. Hold the ball. And it's called brush knee because you almost brush your knee as you go down. Here. Hold the ball. Brush knee. Hold the ball, sit back, turn to the right, and brush knee. When you've had enough on one side, you can turn and do it in the opposite direction. Turning the left palm up this time, right palm down. Turning, sitting forward, brush knee. Hold the ball, turn to the left. Left hand comes up, right hand comes down. Brush knee. Then you start to move more fluidly. Turning, shifting the weight backwards and forwards. Turning, forwards. Turning, forwards. Keeping the same height. Turning on the central axis of your body. The breathing, very simple. The yin move is when you're holding the ball, and the yang move is when you're moving your hands forward. By now, should be very easy to understand for you. Breathing in, and breathing out. Breathing in, and breathing out. Breathing in, and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. So, unlike cloud hands, which moves the hands outwards like this, with brush knee, the hands are moving inwards. Always coming down, inwards. There we go. Now, the energy intention for this movement is very soft and very whippy. It's the energy of a wave. It's just like if you have any sequential movement, any like a wave in the ocean, or say a squid or something that's moving through the ocean. It has a sequential movement. As you begin to come forward, the weight transfers and the energy moves up and then flops down. Breathing in. As you breathe out, everything drops. Breathing in and breathing out. The wave shifts from the back to the front, similar to an ocean wave. Wave comes out and then moves forward. And it's this wave of energy and looseness that is the real meditation for Brashni. There we go. It's Brashni.